Hi, my name is Satyam, and today I am going to discuss the comprehensive topic of Haryana GK, which is a very crucial topic in government exams. So, starting from etymology, the word Haryana is a Sanskrit word where Hari means Vishnu and Ana means home, completing it as the home or place of stay for Vishnu. Interesting fact of Haryana is that the Mundan ceremony of Lord Krishna happened at the Kurukshetra of Haryana. Coming to the geography, Haryana is a landlocked state where it neither shares its boundaries with any of the neighboring countries nor it shares its boundary with the water bodies, any of the water bodies. India has five such states, which are namely Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and Jharkhand. The formation of Haryana happened on 1st November 1966 on a Tuesday. It was the 17th. It was the 17th state of India, where the 16th state was the Nagaland, which was carved from the Assam, and the carved from the Assam on 1st December 1963, and the 18th state is Himachal Pradesh, which was carved from Punjab in on 25th January 1971, where both Haryana and Himachal Pradesh were once a part of Punjab and later separated from it. Haryana, uh, yes. So at the time of the formation, the President of India was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was also the second President of India. His birthday is also celebrated as the National Teachers' Day annually on 15th September. At that time, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, which is also the Vice President of India, was Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir, and the Deputy Speaker was Violet Alva. Talking about Dr. Zakir Hussain, he was one of the most prominent figure in Haryana history, and his name is discussed widely. Where the famous Rose Garden in Sector 16, Chandigarh, which is the capital of Haryana, has the Rose Garden, which was named after Dr. Zakir Hussain, and the full name of it is Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden, where there are 16,000 species of roses, and it is spread in 30 acres. The Rose Garden was established by Mohinder Lal. Mohinder was established by Mohinder Singh Randhawa in 1967 in the honor of Dr. Zakir Hussain. At the time of formation, the Speaker of Lok Sabha was Sardar Hukum Singh, and the Deputy Speaker was Krishna Murthy Rao. The Speaker of Lok Sabha, Sardar Hukum Singh, handed over the bill to Gulzari Lal Nanda, who was the Home Minister at that time, and the final signatory of the bill was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the President. Coming to the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on 12th June 1966 came to radio and announced to the general public that the state of Haryana will soon be separated from Punjab, and people don't need to worry about it. Where if there is a question that who was the first person to announce the separation of Haryana, so the answer will be Srimati Indira Gandhi, the current president, current prime minister at that time. The state was formed from the 18th amendment in the constitution on a Tuesday. The area of Haryana is 44,212 kilometers square, and in miles it is 17,070 miles square. It is roughly at the time of birth it was 35.18% of the entire Punjab, and currently India has 32,87,263 kilometers square of land area, where Haryana has 1.34% share of land area. In terms of ranking, Haryana in India, Haryana has the 21st rank in India and 20th rank in states, where India has 28 states and 8 union territories, but one union territory is bigger than Haryana. In total, there are 8 states which are smaller than Haryana, which are Goa, Sikkim, Tripura, Kerala, and other 5 sisters, which are so Goa, Sikkim, Kerala, and others are 5 sisters apart from Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, which are Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, and Meghalaya. To remember it, we can just conclude all at the time of formation, Haryana had 7 districts, where the Hisar district was the biggest, and Karnal was the second biggest. At the time of formation, the 7 districts were Hisar, Karnal, Ambala, Jind, Rohtak, Gurgaon, and Mahendragarh. And right now, Haryana has 22 districts, where Sirsa is the biggest, and Hisar is the second biggest, and where Faridabad is the smallest, and Panchkula is the second smallest. Another interesting fact is that the Rewari of Haryana is also the in-laws home of Balram, who is the brother of Lord Krishna. So we'll wrap up our today's session in this much knowledge only, and we will again come back to you in a short while.